Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we have to slide a little bit down to useful features category, and here at the second position we have grid lines option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. When we move back to the camera we have these lines in the preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture, and of course remember that these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see them at the photo, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them, we have to move back to the left corner settings, slide down to useful features and tap to the grid lines to turn them off, so for now in the preview they have gone. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.